If you want to customize the volume slider on Samsung Galaxy A57, then in that case we can open the Galaxy Store, and then in here we can search for an app, there we go, that is called Sound Assistant. There it is. Of course, we can download it immediately by using this arrow on the right side, or you can tap on the app in order to find the install button in here. Now we need to wait for the app to be installed, which shouldn't take too long to do so. And once it is installed, of course, we want to open it. There we go. We need to grant a couple of permissions, of course, to be able to use the app. And now in here, we can, for example, go to Customize Volume Panel. So here, as you can see, we can use this custom panel in here. We can also tap on Custom option in order to, for example, adjust it a little bit. We can move it up and down. We can switch the layout to move it to the left or right side. We can also use a floating button, and we can also go to Expanded panel in order to, for example, add the Bluetooth metronome and also a couple of other stuff like the app volume in here. We can also show toolbar functions and so on. But besides that, what you can also do is you can go to make your own volume panel colors, and we have this Flex Volume UI, where we have this colorful theme, and we can choose one of these lighting effects. As you can see, there are lots of different options to choose from. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. We have different textures that we can use. We have the control type, so we can switch from a bar to a knob. We have different shapes. I'm gonna use maybe something smaller. There we go. We can also go to theme in order to use one of these recommended themes, or you can create your own theme if you want to. I'm gonna stick with this Flex UI, and that's all you have to do. So now if I try to volume up or volume down, you will see that we have this new theme for the volume slider. And if I tap on these three dots, this panel over here also looks a little bit different. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.